Which way is the right way? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Everyone knows that ceiling fans help cool you down this time of year, but which way should they turn? Stay tuned and I'll give you the scoop, plus a few other tips to help keep your cool right after this. Outdoor concrete projects are quick and easy with Quikrete fast-setting concrete in the red bag. Whether you need to set a fence post, mailbox post, or deck footing, or even pour a backyard patio, Quikrete fast-setting concrete in the red bag makes it simple. To set a post, there's no mixing. Just pour the dry mix into the hole and add water. It sets hard in about 20 minutes and you're done. It's that fast and easy. Quikrete fast-setting concrete. Look for it in the red bag. When a ceiling fan is operating in the cooling mode, you should be able to stand beneath it and see the fan blades moving in a counterclockwise direction. This forces air down onto us, making the room feel cooler than the thermometer actually says it is, much like the wind chill the weatherman talks about in the wintertime. To get maximum effect from a fan, it should hang down as far as possible from the ceiling so that the airflow is less restricted. Fans with longer blades tend to move more air, but that more is better philosophy doesn't hold up when it comes to the number of blades or their width. 6-blade fans, or those with large decorative blades, actually move less air because there's less space between the blades to draw air through. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.